To add your Pluxee card in Phonepe. 1. Open the Phonepe app on your phone and log in to your account. 2. On the home screen, tap on My Money or go to the Payment Methods section. 3. Under Debit Credit Cards, tap Add New Card. 4. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and check the card number, expiry date, and CVV. 5. Enter these details carefully in the Phonepe card form. 6. Tap Save Card or Add Card. 7. If your Pluxee card is a Rupee, Visa, or MasterCard, it may link successfully, but note that not all Pluxee cards support wallet apps like PhonePe. 8. If it doesn't work, use your Pluxee card directly through the Pluxee app or Pluxee partner stores, as PhonePe may not support prepaid or meal cards for UPI transactions.